Bakit ka single?
Self-love. Nakakatawa yun? Ha? Ha? Gigil mo ako, ha?
Kasi love is life.
Single ako kasi hindi pa siya dumarating.
Say your name and age.
So, my name is Gabriela Morgan. You can call me Bella. I am 25 years old.
So, ano pinagkakabalan mo ngayon, Miss Bella?
So, I'm currently handling our own business. I'm super happy kasi unti-unti na natutupad yung mga goals ko sa buhay. Hindi dahil kilalang mayaman ng pamilya ko, but on my own determination to reach it. Pero itong isang goal talaga na ito, nagpasaya sa akin ng sobra.
Can you tell what goal it is?
Ito yung nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong coffee shop, which is sobrang pinangarap namin dati.
Wow! You are so successful. Pero Miss Morgan, naranasan mo na ba ang ma-in love? Pwede mo bang i-share?
We started our unexpected love story sa isang debate.
I call upon the first affirmative speaker from St. Paul Colleges to deliver the terms and resolution of his side.
Go pare! Kaya mo yan!
And the topic for our inter-school debate 1994 to 1995 is love real? You have 1 minute to defend your side.
Love is real. Love is one of the basic emotions of life. Kasi kung hindi ka nagmamahal, hindi ka masasaktan. At kung hindi ka masasaktan, hindi ka matututo. Miss Morgan, may tao na bang hindi nagmahal? I think you didn't deserve it.
It's just an idea, Mr. Salazar. Ang love, subcategory lang yan ng fiction section sa library. Are we in love or we just love the idea of being in love and to be loved?
Love gives you the strength to transform pain into power. And the most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul in fire. The most powerful weapon on earth is the human soul in fire. And that fire is love. It's dangerous, pero kailangan mong sumugal. Miss Morgan, na-in-love ka na ba?
Love is an illusion. Misconception lang yan sa utak ng mga tao. Love always leads. Sa huli, sarili mo lang ang magmamahal sa iyo.
Okay, that's it. Time's up. I must admit that I am surprised with the way they argue. In advance, we would like to congratulate Eastdale University and St. Paul College. And as the debate has gone on, the winning team is Eastdale University. Congratulations!
Say your name and age.
My name is Christopher Salazar, but you can call me Tope. I am 25 years old. Mixed emotions ako ng moment na yun. Natalo man ako, ang laki naman ng balik sa akin ni Lord. Parang tadhana na yung nagtutulak sa akin para pumayag sa offer. Good morning, you are? Good morning, sir. I am Christopher Salazar from St. Paul Colleges.
I am the academic coordinator of Eastdale University, and I saw your potential. You are very smart. Actually, you met the standard of our school. I want to offer you a scholarship. If you are interested, you can go to our campus.
Thank you, sir. I will update you as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. Salazar, for accepting our offer. You are free to share your knowledge and to show your talent in Eastdale University.
Thank you ng marami, sir.
Good morning, students. Can I have your attention, please? So today we have a new student. Can you introduce yourself?
Sir naman, no? Kanina pa, paulit-ulit. I'm Christopher Salazar, in short, Tope. Nice to meet you, mga tol.
First impression ko sa kanya is the way he talks, sobrang jologs.
You look familiar. Wait. Close up, close down. Oops! I remember na! I saw you on my sister's debate. Ikaw yung kalaban niya, right?
Ako nga yun. Nawatal pa nga.
Sisi, in fairness, he's handsome.
I don't care, ang jologs.
Oh, we're here na pala. Bye, Sisi. Take care. Bye.
Bye, Sisi! Mang Tony, where are you na po? Tapos na po yung klase ko.
Uy, kuya, para. Kuya! Ah, lalabas na. Uy, pre, kaloy. Pre, pasakay naman, pre. Tinatawag na ako ng kalikasan eh.
Uy, pre. Biyahe langit ba? Sige, pre, sakay na.
Yun na siguro yung pinakamagandang nadulot ng Fall of Nature sa buong buhay ko. Lalabas na! Bella. Gabriela Morgan, parang ginto ah. Payaman. Maganda ka eh. Pero nako, parang galit na galit ka sa mundo eh. Cute ng chicks. Parang shopang rice ah. Pikunin kita bukas. Good morning, Margie. Aga mo ah.
Morgie, saan mo nakuha yun?
May pa-silver linings kasi pangalan mo eh. Instead na Morgan, Morgie na lang. Galing ko ano? Ang catchy, di ba?
Seriously? Ang jologs! Stop calling me like that.
I smell something malansaha. You too, ha?
Hey bro, welcome to Eastdale! Enjoy with us, bro!
So, good morning class. So, for the start of semester, I have a surprise graded recitation. Chemical reaction occurs everywhere. A series of simple and complex bound-breaking and forming habits as each starting substance transforms into another substance. This is the concept of chemical reaction. So, what should we discuss on our topic? Anyone from the class?
Yes, Miss Morgan? According to George Ernest Talbich, the one who proposed the phlogiston theory,
Salazar?
But according to Anton Lavoisier, he said that phlogiston is incorrect because any substance that reacts with oxygen produces fire. It is called the theory of oxidation.
Hindi ako sanay na may nakakatalo sa akin, and in that moment, I feel so down. Nasanay ako na ito yung naririnig ko. Again, Miss Morgan, got the highest score. Congrats! Pero nagbago yung mundo ko nung dumating siya.
Here are the rankings of the top students in the semester. Congrats to all of you. Keep it up.
Uy, si Tupi!
Uy, si Gomez!
Oh my God. Top 5!
Yes! Uy, Tupi!
Uy!
Look bro, tapon ka!
Kalalo mo ng katalinuhan sa lipan mo ka. Shh! Mag-aral ka kasi. Puro kalokohan ni natupag mo eh.
Pero seryoso bro, pag first time ko sa history, pang Guinness World Record ka, idol!
Ha? Yung pinagsasasabi mo?
What I mean is, ikaw ang unang-una nakabit kay Bella.
Ha? Bella? Kasi si Margie?
Sino Margie? Pangbaboy ah.
Si Gabriela Morgan?
Ah, si Bella! Kilala ko na, daming alam, borgi-borgi. Binabawi ko na, hindi pala baboy. Halimaw! Halimaw sa akas na parang ikaw, na ikaw ng bukod tanging nakatalo sa kanya.
Dami mong sinasabi.
Sisi, look. Congrats, Sisi!
What are you talking about? Congrats for? Hindi na ako yung top 1.
But you're still on the top out of 20. While me, I'm still in the top 10. Be grateful, Sisi.
You know me, ayoko napapahiya.
Yung kahapon, ay yung tanda mo yung laro kahapon na. Pre, napalo mo daw si JP kahapon.
Speaking of tinalo, congrats to Pet. Uy, pre, congrats.
Uy, Mark.
Uy, congrats
to Pet. Margie! Margie! Margie!
Pwede ba? Hindi ako aso, kaya ko maglakad. Basta na kasi Where are we? Ano itong mga to? mother is known as one of the powerful businesswomen. Kami lang dalawa sa buhay, isang maliit na pagkakamali, malaking kahihiyan na yon para sa kanya. One time, hindi ako nakapasok sa top 5 ng isang law school na gustong-gusto niya.
Bella, ano to?
What do you mean, Ma?
What a disgrace, Bella! I gave you all the possible answers na lalabas sa exam! I spent my money for the expensive law books! Nakakahiya ka! Ano nang sasabihin ng ibang tao?
Para akong alikabok, ang liit-liit ng tingin ko sa sarili ko. By the way, I got the 6th place. I study hard. Harder. Nagpapakasakali na mabura ko sa isip niya lahat ng nagawa kong dungis sa reputasyon niya sa ibang tao. Pero hanggang makasakali na lang siguro.
Congrats, Bella! I heard the news. You are top 1 outstanding student in your university. But please, taasan mo pa. Yung average mo, mababa pa yan.
Ma,
Nandyan na yung mga bags, your prize. I need to end the call. Tinatawag na ako ng mga business partners ko.
wait, Ma! Kailan niya ba ma-realize na presence niya kailangan ko at hindi mga mamahaling material na bagay? She's never been happy with my grades. Ginagawa ko naman lahat pero di pa din sapat. Ano pa bang gusto niya? Kasi gusto ko na ng isang pagmamahal ng ina. Kaya gano'n na lang ako nag-burst out kanina. Kasi sa tagal-tagal ng panahon, may makakatalo na naman sa akin.
Alam mo yung mga grades na yan, hindi naman dyan nasusukat kung paano ako maging successful sa buhay eh. Nag-aaral ako ng mabuti kasi mahirap na. Ano laban ko sa kanila? Kilala at mayaman. Kaya utak lang ang puhunan ko. Nakakalungkot, no? We're not studying to become something. We study kasi natatakot tayo na baka we'll end up being nothing.
Okay, class. Miss Morgan got the perfect score. Give her a round of applause. And oh, our second to the highest, Mr. Salazar. One mistake. Not bad, Christopher. Huh? Easy lang yung question na hindi mo nasagutan, ha? Why didn't you give the answer?
Sorry, sir. Nakalimutan ko eh.
Uy bro, anong ganap?
I actually didn't write the answer para dagdag puntos din kay Morgie Sungit.
Oh!
Oh, you ha? I heard it. Super landi ha? Times 10 to the power of 23. Whoops, scary whoops, every time I...
Tupeta ka!
O saan?
Just follow me!
Sabi ko nga, sige, sunod na ako. Nakakilig.
Hey, Tupe!
Tayo na. Pinatay ko lang yung switch ng ilaw.
Salamat nga pala for yesterday. For the first time, may napag-openan ako and I didn't expect na sa'yo pa.
Ano ka ba? Maliit na bagay. Crush mo na ako, no? Pag pala na-inlove ka sa best friend mo, ang risky, di ba? Hindi mo alam kung anong isi-save mo. Relationship or friendship.
Paano ba yan? Lilipad na ako sa ibang bansa para mag-law school. Mag-iingat ka dito, ha? Ay, ang dami kong mamimiss.
Tamo, hindi ka pa umaalis. Mamimiss mo agad ako. Mamimiss kita. Wala na yung sadista, mataray, at masungit kong best friend. Walang sigurado, pero sumugal pa rin ako. Ano favorite moment mo dito?
Dito nagsimula yung friendship natin. Unexpected but best friendship at walang makakatalo. Yung takot na takot kasi mga hampas ko. Yung crying baby tayo pareho.
Actually, hindi lang yun ang favorite moment ko dito.
So, Miss Bella, kamusta na kayo?
Wait lang, sakto tumatawag. Babe, asan ka? Papunta ka dito? Ngayon? Sige, sino magbabantay ng coffee shop? Oh, okay. I love you. Papunta siya dito ngayon. He's here.
So, you are?
I'm Miggy Vasquez, and I'm her fiancé.
Kasi importanteng masaya siya kahit hindi